A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today 20th of June 2020, class 9 and subject mathematics. Topic linear equation in two variables. Subtopic exercise 3.3. We have here the question number 5. From the choice given below, choose the equation whose graph are given in figure. We have here given the two figures, that is figure first and the figure second of this question. That is, we have the equations are given, linear equation in two variables are given here, and the graph is also drawn in figure first and in figure second. We have to choose the equation, which equation whose graph is. From these four equations whose graph is given below of the linear equation in two variables. We will here see if x is 0, y is 0. If we say in equation first x is 0, that means y is 0. First, second, when x is -1, y is equal to 1. No, y is also equal to -1. This equation is not the equation of this graph. Second equation, x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 0. We will write here x plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to -x. If we put here value x is equal to 0, y is equal to x is equal to x is equal to -1, y is equal to 1, right? And x is equal to 1, y is equal to -1. It is the graph of the second part of this equation. That is 0, 0, -1, 1, 1 and -1. That means the second part of this graph of equation in two variables is x plus y is equal to 0. This is the graph of this second part of the graph is given below is graph of this equation x plus y is equal to 0. Then we have the second figure. Here we have 0 to 0 to, if we put here y is equal to 0 plus 2, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. No, that means if we put here x is equal to 0, that means x is 0, y is here 2, right? If we put here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, no. Go. Second part, we will put values in the second equation. That is, x is 0, y is equal to -2. Not. Third part, y is equal to -x plus 2. -x plus 2. If we put here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, right? And if we put x is equal to 2, that means y is equal to 0. This is 2, 0. Third, when we apply x is equal to 3, y is equal to -. That means we get the values of this equation. Here we have -1 and 3, -1 and 3. If we put here -1, that is, we get here 3. Minus go plus 2 plus 1, that is 3. The third part is the third part, graph of the third part of this equation is this given below in this question number 5 in the question number 5. Now we have the question number 6. Question number 6. If the work done by a body on the application of constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express the form of an equation in two variables. In the form of an equation. And draw the graph of constant force. Force is 5 units. That means work done is always equal to work done is equal to force into distance. Force into distance. That means W is equal to F into S. We will say here, let the work done be equal to Y units. Work done be equal to Y units when the distance traveled be equal to X units. Constant force is equal to 5 units. The equation becomes, that means W is equal to F into S. W work done is equal to F into S. But work done we have here Y is equal to F into S. Distance, that is force is 5 units. 5 into S is X. The equation becomes Y is equal to 5X. This is the equation of question number 6. Let us draw the graph of this equation. Suppose we have here, when we put X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0. X is 0, Y is 0. When we put X is 1, Y is equal to 5. When we put Y is equal to 2, Y is equal to 10 units. Then we will draw the graph of this. You draw yourselves that the graph of this equation. That means you take X dash and Y dash. That means if you put X is equal to 0, Y is 0. 0, 0. If you put 1, X is 1, Y is 5. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. Right? 1 and 5. X is 1, Y is 5. It is here. Then you draw the graph of this equation yourselves. Drawn the graph here. That means when we put the values into it,